Yes students, today we will start chapter 11 conic section. In this, firstly we will start exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1 is related to circle. Now see how circle is part of a cone, means this is conic section. Let us suppose if you have a cone, if you cut this cone in this way, then the shape obtained here, this shape will be circle. So that's why in first exercise, as a part of a conic section, we will study about a circle. All of you know definition of circle. Definition of circle. Circle is a locus of all points. Locus means collection of all points in two-dimensional which are equidistant from a fixed point, and this fixed point is known as center of the circle. And when you join all these points, then the shape obtained is known as a circle. And these points are at constant distance from fixed point, and this constant distance is known as radius of the circle. So in this exercise we have two types of equations. Let us suppose h comma k, these are the coordinates of center of a circle in two dimension, and let us suppose small r is the radius of this circle. Then equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. This is the equation of circle. Listen again. If h comma k, this is center of the circle, and r is the radius, then equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. And when you use identity of a minus b whole square, then you will get one more form of equation of circle. This form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus constant term c is equal to 0. This is also known as a equation of circle. Both are the forms of equation of circle. In first form, center will be h comma k and radius is r, and in second form, center coordinates will be minus j comma minus f, and radius r is root of g square plus f square minus c. This gives you value of radius from this second form of the equation of circle. So now we will start exercise 11.1 by using these two forms of equation of circle. In this video I will explain exercise 11.1 question number 1 to 9. So now see first question of exercise 11.1. In this, find the equation of circle with center 0 to 0 comma 2 and radius is 2. This is given to you. We have to find the equation of a circle. So all of you know that equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. What is h? H is 0, value of k is 2 and small r is 2. Put here value of h, k and r. You will get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. This is equals to 2 square means 4. Or it can be written as x minus 0 means x square. Here you will use identity a minus b whole square. You will get a square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to 4. 4 is cancelled with 4. You will get x square plus y square minus 2y is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of a circle. Similarly, in second question also, center is given to you minus 2 comma 3 and radius r is given to you 4. So by using same form, if you put here value of h, k and r, then you will get x minus minus 2. Minus 2, it becomes x plus 2, y minus 3 whole square. This is equals to r square. R is 4 and square of 4 is 16. After that you will simplify it. You will get the equation of circle in standard form. In third question also, in question number 1 to 5, in these 5 sums, first 5 questions of this exercise, in all these sums, center and radius is given to you. So with the help of same concept, you will find out equation of circle. So question number 3 and 4 you will try yourself. I am explaining one more question, question number 5, in which center and radius is given to you. In question number 5, center is minus a comma minus b and radius is given to you square root of a square minus b square. So now equation of circle, x minus minus a, it becomes plus a whole square, y minus minus b becomes y plus b whole square. This is equals to r square, and when you will take square of it, then square is cancelled with root, you will get a square minus b square. Now simplify it by using a plus b whole square identity. It can be written as x square plus a square plus 2ax. Similarly, y square plus b square plus 2by is equals to a square minus b square. And when a square and minus b square comes on this side, it becomes minus a square and plus b square. A square is cancelled with a square. So you will get x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by and plus b square, it becomes 2b square equals to 0. So this is the equation of a circle. So in question number 1 to 5, center and radius were given to you. Now we will start from question number 6. From question number 6 to 9, equation of circle is given to you, and we will find out radius and center coordinates. So in question number 6, equation of circle is x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to 36. This x plus 5 can be written as x minus minus 5 whole square, y minus 3 whole square. 36 can be written as 6 square. So what is value of h comma k? This is equals to minus 5 comma 3, and radius of circle is 6. So in this way you can find out radius and center coordinates. Now see question number 7 and 9. Question number 8 you will try yourself. In question number 7, equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 is equals to 0. So this equation is given in this form: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. If you compare these two equations, then what is the value of g? The term 2gx, this is equals to minus 4x. X is cancelled with x. So from this result, what is value of g? G is equals to minus 2. Similarly, if you compare these two terms, then 2f is equals to minus 8, or you can say f is equals to minus 4. So in this form, center will be minus g comma minus f. So what is value of g? Minus 2. Already negative sign is there, and according to this formula, if you will take one more negative sign, then minus minus becomes plus. So center coordinates will be 2 comma 4. Now radius. Formula for radius is g square plus f square minus c. What is value of g? G is minus 2. Square of minus 2 is 4. Square of 4 is 16 minus c. What is value of c? C is here minus 45, and when you will take minus minus 45, it becomes plus 45. So 45 plus 20, it becomes 65. So root 65 is the value of a radius. So in this way, from the given equation of circle, you can find out center and radius. Now question number 8 you will try yourself. I am explaining one more question, last question of this video, question number 9. In question number 9, equation of circle is 2x square plus 2y square minus x equals to 0. 2x square plus 2y square minus x equal to 0. So in this form, if you see x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Here coefficient of x square and y square is 1. But in this equation coefficient is 2. So that's why dividing both side by 2, you will get x square plus y square minus half x is equals to 0. So in this term, in this equation, the term containing y variable is 0. Constant term is also 0. So value of g, firstly we will find out g. The term 2gx is equals to minus half x. So 2g is equals to minus half. or you can say g is equals to minus 1 by 4. The term containing f is 0, so here, sorry, the term containing y variable is 0 here, so value of f is 0. Constant term is also missing, so c is also 0. So now what will be the center? Center is equals to minus g comma minus f. So minus of minus 1 by 4, it becomes plus 1 by 4 comma 0, and radius r is equal to z square plus f square minus c, so it is 1 by 4. So radius is 1 by 4 and center is 1 by 4 comma 0. So this is the question number 9. So in today's homework you will do this exercise up to question number 9. In next video I will explain continue same exercise from question number 10.